Alright. Now we're going to remove the pistons. For this purpose I have a piece of aluminium rod here. It cost me a whole $2. But it's better than using a bit of wood, and it's better than using a piece of, well, a piece of steel or something like that, or just bashing on the end of these, which is a very, very bad idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the side, just above that gudgeon pin. I'm going to give it a couple of little taps. And do the other side, so I'm hitting each side evenly. I'm only doing little taps, a lot of little ones. Spray some more degreaser down, more of this de-assembly lube. Almost getting to the top. It is at the top, it's sticking out now. We should expect it to just fall through in a second. Actually just hit it with the aluminium. Oh, there we go. And there we go. It's just going to drip out. Now, this piston doesn't look like a 2L piston. That's because it's had an angle grinder taken to the top of it. It's probably still got a bit of thickness in the crown bit there to handle it, but this, I am reasonably sure that that amount of wobble, this is now the second set of pistons I've seen like this, so I'd say that it's, yeah, I mean either way it's not good. See what the brand new pistons are like. So I'll proceed to pull out the rest of these. The battery or this will die at some point, so I'll have to get the other camera out. But yeah. Very, very seized. Spray some in there. Put more in there too. I did spray them earlier, but that one's come. Bearings come out of that one. This is pretty. That piston ring is actually a lot better. It doesn't flop around as much. Again, this one doesn't flop around as much. We just got don't even need the hammer for this one. There we go. Very badly corroded. Just see some of the pitting from the casting. That's yeah, that one's pretty bad too. Still. That's on the gudgeon bin.